how's it going? Hopefully well. It's your girl Justine and I'm coming at you guys with another video. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, today I'm going to be putting a $1 microfiber towel to the test. Yes, that is correct, to the test. I've seen these things before. I remember buying one a very long time ago when I was a loose natural and never really using it. But I found this black one. And I was like, oh, I've never seen it in the color black, so why not put it to the test and see how it does? So I'm gonna do my thing, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna just see how well this will dry my hair, or at least soak up most of the moisture. I usually wrap a towel around my hair when I'm done washing just to kind of help, and then from there I air dry. So I'm gonna see how well this works, and then from there just let my hair air dry after the fact. So yeah, it's a microfiber twist and tie hair wrap. It says perfect fit, easy to use, microfiber absorbs water, one size fits all, elastic hoops and button, makes easy size adjustment. And then on the back, that's the front, and then on the back it says there's like 3 pictures. And then the directions under each picture says, with the button at the back, place twist and tie over your head. By turning the twist and tie, you would secure your hair. Place the twist around the button at the back. Twist and tie does the rest. So that's pretty much how this works. It says it is 100% polyester. This is the towel that I usually use when I wash my hair to dry, like to help with the drying process. So I'm curious to see how well this thing is going to look. So I'm just going to take it out of the package. All right. And so this is what it looks like. So it says one size fits all. It seems pretty big. So I'm just wondering how that works for people with thicker hair. But I guess we'll see. So yeah, here's the button. And then oh, okay. These are your 3 options, I guess, for when you go to adjust it. So that's good. And yeah, this is the whole thing. So yep, it's time for me to wash, and I will come back and we'll put this to the test. Hey y'all, so I am back. I am freshly done washing my hair. As you can see, there's water dripping out of it. So now is the time to put the hair wrap, microfiber hair wrap, to the test. So I got it here. I'm gonna just take this plastic thing off. Okay. So yeah, here it is. I'm going to attempt to put this on. So I'm gonna get all my hair towards the back. Oh, my hair is so wet. Okay. Then I'm gonna put the hood part, I mean, it's kind of like a hood. I'm gonna just put it on my head. Okay. I'm gonna center it. Okay, so now I'm going to gather my hair into it. All right, so there's my hair, right? And there's the microfiber wrap. So my hair is just about the right, just enough, a good enough length for this thing, which means if my hair was any longer, I'm wondering how would it like all fit. So I'm gonna just try to get all of it in for the most part, even my ends. Let's see, hold on. All right, so I'm trying to just make sure I have all the hair within the wrap. And then it says to twist, which I'm not going to twist too much. But now I'm going to gather it. So now it's all up here, so there's no hair hanging. And then I'm going to, there we go, reach for one of these things. So there were 3 of these elastic things. The very last one is the one that I'm going to use because I don't see this thing coming up any further. And yeah, you guys just saw that it broke. So it looks like I won't be using that one. I'm gonna go for the one above it. But now I feel like it's gonna break even more. Oh my gosh. Well, that's what you get for spending $1, right? All right, I'm gonna try to be gentle with this thing. Okay, there we go. That wasn't supposed to happen. Anyhow, so now I have it on. I just want to come back and show you guys something. So this towel is supposed to like soak up all the moisture, and I just like touch the back here, and I'm gonna squeeze it, and you guys can see the water. Hopefully you can see the water that literally is like pooling in the towel and just kind of, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I guess that's supposed to be the case, but I just wanted to show you guys that. I thought that was really interesting. So, all right, y'all. So I am back. I left this on for like a good 10 minutes, but I'm going to take it off and just kind of see what it did, or, you know, and then just finish up with my regular towel because I'm kind of iffy about it, but it is kind of heavy, definitely wet, and I'm gonna just wring it. Yeah, oh yeah. So there's tons of water in this thing. So I mean, it definitely does absorb the water as the packaging said that it does, and I mean, I guess my hair is not as damp as it was when I first like put it in the towel, because remember my ends are like literally dripping water. My hair is still wet, so I am gonna just follow up with my regular towel. If you were to ask me if that was $1 well spent, nah. Stick to your regular towel. I use a regular cotton towel, and yeah, there was really nothing special about that. Not that I thought it was gonna be that special, but I mean, I don't know. It says it's good for all hair types. I'm pretty much sure it said that. Is that what it said? Well, no, it just says one size fits all, but I wasn't too crazy about it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.